Grade 12 students, GSLS. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Dima Abdel Samad. As we said last week, we're going to proceed with our online videos to be able to finish the curriculum. And this video is going to focus on Unit 5, Lesson 2. Please stay focused on all the details and information mentioned to be able to read Unit 5, Lesson 2. Unit 5, Lesson 2 sheds light on ecological and social problems. The content of this lesson is divided into ecological problems, social problems, short-term solutions, long-term solutions, transition to a more sustainable future. The first part, which sheds light on the ecological problems. Before answering the questions, try to take few minutes to answer the questions by yourselves before you read the suggested answers given to you. The questions are: what are the most dangerous problems facing our world today? What are the causes behind these problems? What impact do these problems have on our world? Suggested answers can be: the most dangerous ecological problems that we've already discussed in class can be global warming or climate change, and we said that this has led to many other dangerous and disastrous problems, such as the extinct of many animals, because many animals nowadays are becoming extinct due to global warming and climate change. In addition to health problems, because it is leading to many problems, the diseases, health problems, in addition to the death of many people. Second problem is the garbage or trash, as well as the various kinds of pollution, especially the new kinds of pollution such as noise pollution and light pollution. And as we have already discussed, the different kinds of pollution can be the cause of climate change or global warming. Regarding the second question, which is the main cause of all these problems, there is no doubt that the main cause behind these problems is technology. As we said, due to technology, we have a new advancement, industries, companies, institutions, and all these kinds of developments could lead to pollution. And pollution could lead to many other dangerous problems. Regarding the third question, which is the impact of these problems on our world, there is no doubt that it has a negative impact on our world because it is leading to many disastrous problems that could deteriorate and damage human life. Regarding the social problems, we have overpopulation and overconsumption. As you all know that in the cities which are overpopulation, there will be overcontamination and overconsumption of electricity, of water. So they will be consuming everything and they will be eating everything. And this could lead to the new viruses invasion. And this is exactly what had happened in Wuhan city in China. Because there is overpopulation and there is overcontamination, there was new virus invasion, which is the COVID-19. In addition to these social problems, we shouldn't forget poverty and hunger because millions of people around the world are still living in hunger and poverty. And of course, we shouldn't forget the economic crisis that our world, especially Lebanon, is suffering from. Economic crisis is one of the most dangerous problems that is facing life, and especially Lebanon today. We're going to divide the lesson into two parts. The first part, which is focusing on the first three paragraphs, please read the first three paragraphs, page 114. After reading these paragraphs, it should be noted that dramatic actions should be taken to avoid the damage or the deterioration or the collapse of the world. And this was the main goal or the main aim of the summit, which is going to be held in Rio de Janeiro in 2020 to be able to reduce these ecological problems. As mentioned in paragraph 3, the short-term solutions can be done by each country separately. However, the long-term solutions can be done by the communication of the whole world. That means we have short-term solutions and long-term solutions. Short-term solutions can be taken by each country separately, whereas the long-term solutions, it should be done by the collaboration of all of the countries doing together, taking certain steps and strategies to be able to reduce the problem. In addition to the first three paragraphs, read the paragraphs 4 through 10, page 115. These paragraphs shed light on the warnings about biodiversity loss and climate change. People have to look differently about the economic progress. And then please try to find answers for the following. After reading these paragraphs, try to find answers for the following. What type of irony can be identified in paragraphs 4 and 5? What are the long-term solutions to reduce these problems? Suggested answers. The irony is situational, since the economic growth is supposed to be helpful, leading to the advancement of humans. On the contrary, it is leading to a more critical and harmful situation represented by the ecological damage and the deterioration of human beings. Whereas the suggested answer for the second question is that the long-term solutions can be done by the collaboration of the whole countries to address the basic or the main or the cause of the problem. Because if we need to solve the problem, we have to look at the main cause of this problem to be able to solve it. Now, answer the comprehension questions, page 117, and we're going to meet in other online videos. Thank you.